everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for another Craftsy haul. So, oh, I guess that doesn't say Craftsy, does it? This one does. So, I have a big old box. Can't even see over it. But I'm excited because I got some kits and they were all on sale. And you guys know I needed some more. Oh my goodness. These boxes are really nice if you are moving too, because, and I know that because Alex is now in his dorm and I use these boxes to help with that. So I have my invoice. And this is 1, 2, 3 pages. Total items, it says 45. Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't remember getting that many. I'm thinking maybe, no, this is the order. I thought, did I place 2 orders? But no, this is the one. Okay, so, oh, I am excited. I am going to take the thing out so you can see what in the world it is. So I got this yarn, and I picked the same colors that they used on this, and it makes this cute poncho. Isn't that adorable? Hopefully you can see the colors okay. There's gray and then a dark gray and then like an orange color. I thought it would be beautiful for fall. And it is super nice. I'm excited about that. And so here are the colors for that. So there's this darker gray, which is called Charcoal Heather. And this flame color, that's very nice. That's a good name for it. And then also there are 3 skeins of this suede. So those are the 3 colors for this. I'm very excited. Oh no, there's 4 skeins of the suede. There's 2 of the charcoal and 2 of the flame. So there's one kit. And oh boy, this is another kit. And this is going to make a pillow cover. And I wanted to pick things that would be something new, a different skill. And look how cute that is. So it's called Flock of Sheep Pillow Knitting Kit, and the sheep is like fuzzy. It's really cute. So I got this kit because I haven't done any like designs in a knit or any of that, so I thought, you know what, now's my shot. So the white is actually it's all the sprightly. It looks like it's furry, but maybe it's not. So here's the white, and then there's black, and then I picked this green color for my background, and this is called Grass. Excuse me. So I got 2 skeins of the grass, 1 of the white, and 1 of the black. And here's one that comes with hanks. So these are hanks, and there's 2 different colors in here. These don't really have names, just numbers. So, or maybe there's 3. I can't really tell if those 2 are the same or different. 24108, 24104. So these are 3 different colors. And this is going to make a Cora shawl, and I will show you what this looks like. Isn't that pretty? So I haven't even done any striping or anything yet, so this will be exciting to learn how to do that. And, oh, this is really pretty. There's one skein of yarn for this, so that's kind of cool. And this yarn is glittery. Can you see the glittery? And I picked the Lotus Blossom color. It's like a purple, different shades of purple. It's beautiful. Man. And it's going to make an easy shaped shawl. And it looks like this. Only mine will be purple. So some of them you can pick whatever color you want of the yarn that is available, and then others you don't get to pick the color. So like for this Cora shawl, I didn't get to pick the colors, but in everything else I was able to. This one says it's a startup project, Grace Street hat knitting kit, and I've actually done this one before. I did this one in a gray before, but I really liked it, so I thought that I would get another one because the kits were so inexpensive. They really had a deep discount on them. I'm talking like maybe $5 for this, and I got this off-white color. And I'm really not sure if this is exactly the same one that I got the last time or not, but it's very similar if it's not the same. I don't remember that one being in a hank, but it could have been, and I just don't remember. Oh, this one looks kind of neat. This is a basic beanie knitting kit, but look at it. It's cool because you use yarn that changes color, and so like it's this one. It's not the slopey one, but it's just the regular basic beanie. I thought that would be nice to know how to do, and I thought that the yarn would be cool to play with. And let me show you the yarn that I picked. It's this one. It's hard to see, but it's kind of, gosh, my lighting is awful. Oh, that's better. It's got all of these different colors, including navy blue, and I just thought it looked kind of manly. It's sock yarn. So I thought that this would be good for one of the guys in my life. So I got that one. And then I've already done this scarf in gray, but this time I got it in this beautiful denim color. Oh, that is so pretty, and I love the chunky yarn. This knits up super quickly, and it is a seed scarf, or you could make it into a cowl, but I like this scarf. I like this because you could wear it as a cowl too, kind of, but I love the fringe on it. It's super pretty. So I have this in a darker gray color, but then now I'm also going to make it in this blue color just because it was really fun to stitch, and it is going to be beautiful. I think I'm going to show you this one last because that one I'm excited about. Oh, I got these. Wow, I got lavender for sure. So let me show you the yarn. This is the yarn, light lavender. It's very pretty. And I am going to make these slippers with it. I don't know why I picked lavender, but I thought it was a pretty color, so that's why I picked it. But aren't those cute? Ladies button ankle boot. Oh no, slipper crochet kit. I thought it was knit. Well, darn it. There was another crochet kit that I liked, and I didn't get it because it was crochet, and I don't know how yet. Well, guess I'm gonna have to learn. I got another purple one. I really like this purple. I've used it for something else, but isn't that pretty? And I love this big old chunky yarn. And this is gonna make a quick and easy rib hat. So it's just a plain hat, not plain, but a basic ribbed hat. Very nice. And again, for those of you that may not know, I love Craftsy, and it's just craftsy.com, and all of the directions come in a little plastic holder, so you can leave them in that, which I adore. And then they all come together in one of these little bags that says Craftsy on it, and I love that too because I use the bag to hold my yarn as I'm doing it, and if I'm going somewhere, I use it to take it with. And I am excited about this too. Oh my goodness, this comes with a lot of yarn on one skein. Holy schmoly, look at this skein of yarn. This is Handicrafter cotton yarn. This is, let me see if I can tell you, 710 yards of yarn. Ooh-wee. This is gonna make a bag, and this one is in the color Strawberry Shortcake, and I got it to make this bag. Oh, here's a picture of it. Isn't that cute? I really like that blue color too, but I couldn't decide, and since I like pink best, I ended up deciding on that. But if I really like making this, I may have to get it in another color to give away. There's that. Two more. Oh, this is just another one of those seed stitch cowls or scarves in that pretty dusty purple color. So the same as this blue one is, I got blue and purple. And then so the last thing that I got came with lots of different colors. You can see them all. There's two different colors of green, a white, pink, a red. Pink isn't showing very well. A pink and a red. And like I said, two different colors of green. Just really pretty. And it's all Christmassy because it's going to make this cute garland. Isn't that adorable? It has little hats. And it is called the Garland of Tiny Hats. And I didn't know if there was another picture of it. Nope. So I'll try to get it a little closer so you can see a little bit. And I thought that would look cute on my fireplace, just like they have it on this fireplace. I thought that would be really fun for Christmas. And there's all sorts of different patterns in the hats, and you wouldn't have to do very many of them to get it to be whatever it is you're getting it to be. So I thought that was exciting. That was my most expensive kit, actually, and it was like $20. But look at all the different skeins of yarn. And I bet you that there's going to be plenty left over to make more than one of those garlands. So I thought that would be pretty neat. So that is everything that I got from Craftsy. Hoo-wee. I am going to be having some knitting fun, aren't I? Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.